Hey class, you just finished listening to me read you the book, The Pout Pout Fish Goes to School. Now I want you to get out your book that looks like this, my writer's notebook, and I want you to open up to the first page, and I want you to first talk to somebody in your family about something that you're nervous about starting school online or being in kindergarten. Maybe it's some of the skills that we're going to learn. Maybe you're nervous about figuring out how to use a computer or watching it, or maybe you're nervous about school starting. So you're going to draw a picture, and then you are going to ask your parents to write down what you're nervous about. So maybe it's, I'm nervous about learning how to read. So you could draw a picture of you reading a book, and then you could have your parent help you write, I am nervous about learning how to read. And so that would be your page 1. Now remember that I want you to use kindergarten quality work, which means that you use lots of detail, that your pictures look like what's happening. So if I had drew a picture of me reading, I should see a picture of me with a head and a face and a body and 2 arms and 2 legs, maybe holding a book. So I should be able to look at your picture and see what's happening. Kindergartners also use lots of color and lots of detail. So you are going to be using the crayons that you have to add lots of color and lots of detail so that I can see what's happening in your picture. I'm excited to see them. Good luck.